Hello students, we are continuing with chapter 1 of your supplementary reader, The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. This is video part 3. Till now we have read that Aram asked Murad to let him ride the horse, but he denied. He himself took the horse for a ride and left Aram there only. Let us read further. The horse stood on its hind leg, snorted and burst into a fury of speed that was the loveliest thing I had ever seen. My cousin Murad raced the horse across a field of dry grass to an irrigation ditch, crossed the ditch on the horse and 5 minutes later returned dripping wet. As soon as Murad commanded the horse to run, he stood on his hind leg, which means back legs. He made a sound and started running speedily. This was a sight of delight for Aram. Murad took the horse across the field to an irrigation ditch and returned 5 minutes later. He was wet due to passing from irrigation ditch. The sun was coming up. Now it's my turn to ride, I said. My cousin Murad got off the horse. Ride, he said. The sun was about to rise. Aram said it is his turn now to ride the horse. Murad got off the horse and asked Aram to ride it. I leaped to the back of the horse and for a moment knew the most awful fear imaginable. The horse did not move. Aram sat on the horse, but he had a fear. Horse did not move. Kick into his muscles, my cousin Murad said. What are you waiting for? We have got to take him back before everybody in the world is up and about. Murad asked Aram to kick on the muscles of the horse as soon as possible because everyone will be awake. They had to return the horse before anyone knows about this. I kicked into the muscles of the horse. Once again it reared and snorted. Then it began to run. I didn't know what to do. Instead of running across the field to the irrigation ditch, the horse ran down the road to the vineyard of Dikran Halibian, where it began to leap over vines. The horse leaped over 7 vines before I fell. Then it continued running. Aram kicked on the muscles of the horse. He began to run. Instead of going into the ditch, he went into the vineyards of Dikran Halibian. Murad fell off the horse, but the horse continued running. My cousin Murad came running down the road. I am not worried about you, he shouted. We have got to get that horse. You go this way and I'll go this way. If you come upon him, be kindly, I'll be near. Seeing all this, Murad came running. He told Aram that he was not worried about him but only about horse. They need to catch the horse anyhow. They divided themselves and went into 2 different directions. I continued down the road and my cousin Murad went across the field toward the irrigation ditch. It took him half an hour to find the horse and bring him back. Aram searched for the horse on the road and Murad went to irrigation ditch. After almost half an hour, the horse was found. All right, he said, jump on. The whole world is awake now. What we will do, I said. Well, he said, we'll either take him back or hide him until tomorrow morning. Murad asked Aram to sit on the horse. Aram asked, what will we do now? Everybody is awake. Murad said that either they will take him back or hide him somewhere. He didn't sound worried and I knew he would hide him and not take him back. Not for a while at any rate. Murad was not at all worried about the horse, and Aram knew that he would not return the horse and he will definitely hide him. Where we will hide him, I said. I know a place, he said. How long ago did you steal this horse? I said. Aram asked where we will hide the horse, to which Murad replied that he already knew a place. Hearing this, Aram got suspicious and asked Murad that for how long this horse is with you. It suddenly dawned on me that he had been taking these early morning rides for some time and had come for me this morning only because he knew how much I longed to ride. Suddenly Aram realized that Murad had been riding this horse from a long time, and he told him today about the horse because Aram longed to ride. Who said anything about stealing a horse? He said. Anyhow, I said, how long ago did you begin riding any morning? Not until this morning, he said. Are you telling the truth? I said. Of course not, he said. But if we are found out, that's what you are to say. I don't want both of us to be liars. All you know is that we started riding this morning. All right, I said. Murad said, I never told anything about stealing a horse. Aram again asked for how long this horse is with you. Murad said, only from this morning. Aram doubted again and once again asked, are you telling the truth? To which Murad replied that no, he was lying. But they are supposed to say this if someone catches them riding the horse. They will tell a lie that they began riding the horse from this morning only. Aram also agreed to this. We will continue the chapter in the next video.